today's video, I have a collab video with Coco Shine. This video is sponsored by them. I normally would not do sponsor videos if I don't truly believe in the product. This product is 100% natural. I'm going to let you guys know more about this product and we're also going to test it out. Okay, so my package came in this little bag and I got two little papers with the charcoal and a pink toothbrush. I think the bristles in this toothbrush seem a little bit soft. We're gonna put it to the test and see how this little baby works. It says here, Coco Shine. Welcome to the Coco Club, babe. Here's a 20% discount code for you to share with your besties. The other one says, babe, our night just got a whole lot brighter. Hashtag pamper me Coco. So there's like 5 steps. But before we do the steps and before I show you guys how to do this, we're just gonna read a little bit more about this product. So this powder is called Teeth Whitening Powder Activated Charcoal. So the reason why people would look for this kind of alternative is because it has no chemicals. It is vegan friendly. It says here it whitens your teeth and removes stubborn stains naturally with ease. Our activated charcoal binds toxins, stains, and plaque from your teeth and flushes them straight out of your mouth. And the ingredients here, it says 100% natural, organic, activated coconut charcoal with a hint of natural spearmint. So I'm pretty excited about this. So let me just open this guy up. The toothbrush, I love the color. It's baby pink. The bristles seem soft. You know how you have soft, medium, and hard on the toothbrushes? I feel like this would be category soft. And then it says, you notice a visible difference in as little as 3 uses. Here are the benefits you'll get from using Coco Shine Activated Charcoal Teeth Whitening Powder. First of all, whiten. It says that it will protect. So your enamels become stronger while your gums become healthier and less inflamed. It also detoxify. Your mouth is cleansed as bacteria and plaque are flushed out by our activated charcoal. And then it says shine. And most importantly, your confidence goes sky high as you flash your beautiful smile. It is vegan friendly and cruelty free. It says here with the ingredients that it's important to select activated charcoal made from natural sources for the most beauty and healing benefits. That's why their natural teeth whitening powder is made from 100% organic coconut shell charcoal. It'll brighten your smile and improve your overall dental health. I know a lot of people seem kind of like skeptical about it. It's 100% natural, so you know that it will definitely work. My mom does a lot of natural and organic, do-it-yourself projects. So when I told her about this, she's like, oh my god, you have to try it. So if you were to order one of these, you'll be getting the toothbrush and you'll be getting the powder. The jar actually contains 30 grams of powder. It says here that it should last you around 2 months depending on your usage. It retails for $49.95, but right now it is actually on sale for $39.95. It doesn't tell me if it's Australian or if I'm looking at the price in Canadian money. They actually mentioned to use this over the sink because it can tend to be messy. We'll be doing that. I'll be moving into the washroom to brush my teeth over there so I don't make a mess here. I'm just gonna open it up to just see what it looks like inside. It actually has like a seal cap here. It's just black fine powder. It does not have a scent at all. Maybe when I wet it, it might look weird because, you know, it's black. Really quick history about my teeth. I drink a lot of coffee. I haven't gone to the dentist in like probably 6 years. I am planning to get my teeth fixed. After brushing my teeth, I will be back in a couple of days to give like the final review. This is just like me presenting the product to you guys. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is all I have to say right now. So we'll just move to the washroom right now. So there's 5 steps. First step is wet your toothbrush. Second is dip your wet toothbrush into the Coco Shine powder. 3, brush as you normally would for about 2 minutes. 4, rinse well and feel the cleanliness of your teeth with your tongue. And 5, show off your bright, white, confident smile. Hey guys, so I'm back from brushing my teeth for the first time, and I have been brushing my teeth for the past 5 days. Today is actually the 5th day, and I have finally gathered my thoughts and my review for this Coco Shine teeth whitening powder. So first of all, it does not taste like anything. It has no taste at all. It's just basically fine powder that you feel in your mouth. But I did feel a little bit of the spearmint. It's not as strong as toothpaste would be. It doesn't smell like anything. I did feel like a little bit of blood taste, but I'm pretty sure that that was from my gums. I couldn't see any blood because the activated charcoal actually absorbs everything. So it was just all black. I did notice that my teeth got whiter, and also my gums look less inflamed than they did before, and then actually my mouth feels healthier. It's fresh and it's white. After brushing my teeth with it, it actually left no scent at all. It was just like hot air coming out of my mouth. That is actually really good as well. So just a quick reminder on how to use the Coco Shine teeth whitening powder. First, you want to brush your teeth like you normally do and use this little guy once a day. For about 2 weeks, you will see a huge result. I see that my teeth got whiter, but I still see like it could improve, but I see the improvements that it has done already. I forgot to mention when I was reading parts of the website that in their website they actually tell you that you can maintain your results after the first 2 weeks by using Coco Shine every 2nd or 3rd day. So you don't have to use it every day, but like if you see that you're losing the whiteness, just try to use it when you mostly need it. I've actually never used whitening stripes. I don't think I would because my teeth are crooked. This makes it so much easier. If you haven't gotten your hands on it, make sure to get yours at www.cocoshine.com.au. It is an Australian product. You can also follow them on Instagram at CocoShineAU and also Facebook. They also have other 100% natural organic beauty products such as different clay masks. They also have a brush to apply the clay mask and I believe a headband. So make sure to check out their website. If you want to get yours with a 20% discount, you can get it by using the code SHARE20. Don't forget you will be getting the toothbrush and the teeth whitening powder. And to complete this video, I would like to say thank you to Anne for collaborating with me and giving me this opportunity to try on an amazing product. Thank you, Anne. I really appreciate it. Alright guys, now that completes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed and liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs this video up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I will see you guys till my next video. Bye!